welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying the life with their sweet family and friends like me. I'm also good, perfect, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So guys, let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very beautiful and very attractive ideas and cutest and stylish ideas, beautiful and impressive crochet sweater dresses ideas, beautiful sweater dresses, crochet sweater dresses ideas, long beautiful sweater dresses, so cute long blouse sweater dresses ideas. It's a beautiful and fantastic ideas, cutest and stylish ideas and mind-blowing ideas. So like, comment and don't forget sharing these all videos with your all family and friends. So if you want to get many more ideas about beautiful and fantastic stylish ideas and cutest ideas and amazing ideas and beautiful perfect ideas, beautiful crochet long sweater dresses in office wear, so keep watching my video and keep supporting my channel. It's all our amazing office wear crochet sweater long dresses ideas. So like, comment and don't forget sharing these all videos with your all family and all friends. So please, you want to get many more ideas, then please like, comment and don't forget sharing these all video with your all family and friends. It's all our amazing and highly requested ideas, fabulous and fantastic ideas, cutest and stylish ideas, beautiful long coat and long dresses design, crochet long sweater design, crochet office wear dresses designs. It's amazing and fabulous, different styles, different designs and different color and different ideas about beautiful crochet dresses for office wear. So you can buy AliExpress, Amazon, Abebai.com, ETSY.com, Gearwest.com, Light in the Box and Shoesbuy.com. These websites famous, you can buy all this beautiful pattern from there. It's amazing and highly requested ideas, fabulous and fantastic ideas, beautiful and stylish, cute and unique ideas, crochet dresses, crochet long sweater designs for office wear. If you are a uni girl, college girl, if you are an office girl, working woman, you can easily try this beautiful office wear idea. Wow, it's fantastic and fabulous ideas, beautiful stylish cute ideas, crochet dresses for office wear. When you try these beautiful office wear crochet dresses, you will look like a beautiful girl, like modern girl. Okay, now we have to go. Bundle of thanks for watching. See you again till the next video.